So this is the DJI Osmo Nano, and after using it for a week at this point, I absolutely love it. But while testing it out, I also found out one major problem with the DJI Osmo Nano which no one is actually talking about. So in this video, let's start from the beginning. All the specs, all the features, how you can use this camera, how the footage looks, and all of my thoughts and experience, along with that one major problem I found out. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, start with unboxing. This is the box of the DJI Osmo Nano. I have the 64GB variant, but everything is same in both storage variant. Let's open it up. Camera module, the accessories box, vision dock, and some paperwork, stickers. Okay, so let's start with the camera module itself. This is so tiny. I mean, it's so small. Then here we have the vision dock. Let's check out what are the accessories. Okay, so first of all, we have some paperwork, start guide and things like that. Then we have a protective case for the camera module. Let's install it. Oh, this looks good. Then we have a USB-C to C cable for charging, data transfer and things like that. Okay, now let's come to the mounting systems. So the first thing we have here is a magnetic neck lanyard. This one is perfect for travel and daily life because you literally just wear it, snap the camera on and start recording. Then you get this hat clip mount, and honestly this is one of the coolest accessories here. You just clip it on your cap and suddenly you get this super impressive POV perspective. Then we have the suction cup mount. Okay, this is a very useful mount. You can mount your camera anywhere. You can just mount your camera by this, and this is mounted. It's a normal suction cup. It works very fine because the camera is very lightweight. Also it has a ball mount, so you can point your camera in any direction you want. But there's something hidden in this mounting system. You can twist the suction cup and you can remove it, and that reveals a 1/4 inch thread. So you can literally mount it in any tripod, any camera mount or anywhere you want. So this is basically a DJI Osmo Nano ball mount, which is a very useful thing. Now let's talk about the specs. The DJI Osmo Nano might look tiny, but the specs are honestly impressive. You get a 1/1.3 inch sensor, a super wide 143-degree field of view with horizontal lock, 4K up to 60 fps, 1080p up to 120 fps, along with 35 megapixel photos which you can shoot in JPEG and RAW. But the highest upgrade for creators is finally getting 10-bit D-Log M, which means the footage now has way more flexibility while color grading. Now, if we talk about the features, the DJI Osmo Nano is made of two modules, the camera module and the vision dock, and both can work together as one complete system. The screen rotation is reversible too, meaning you can face it towards yourself or away. And once docked together, the vision dock module actually recharges the camera module, which is important because the camera itself depends on the dock for charging, data transfer, and even changing settings. The dock itself has an internal battery and fast charges through USB-C. It also has microSD card slot and can back up footage directly from your camera. But honestly, my favorite feature here is the wireless control. You can monitor and control camera wirelessly, and it makes shooting so much easier. The camera module itself has built-in magnets, which means you can literally stick it anywhere to any metal surface. And both modules also feature the classic DJI Action mounting system, so you can use them together or separately. Okay, so here are my final thoughts on the DJI Osmo Nano. It's been only a week I have been using and testing out the camera, and I absolutely love it. But there's one problem with it. I mean, there are so many good features, like just see the size of the camera. I mean, this can shoot 10-bit D-Log M. I mean, that's crazy, along with 36 megapixel still photos, which you can shoot in JPEG and RAW. That's crazy. Also, when it's not even connected, you can use your Vision dock as a screen, as a monitor, to change the settings, to start and stop recording, turn it on, turn it off, and do pretty much everything. But you can do pretty much same from your phone as well. That's where the problem begins. So the problem has two sides, a positive and a negative side. Let me tell you the whole story. So when the camera is turned off, you can turn it on and off, change the settings, start recording, stop recording. You can do pretty much everything from your phone only. That's a good part. But here comes the problematic part. To do that, whenever you turn off the camera, the wireless inside the DJI Osmo Nano doesn't turn off, and it doesn't have any feature like airplane mode or anything. So whenever you turn off the camera, the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi stays on. Yes, with a lower frequency band, but it stays on. And here comes the problem. The DJI Osmo Nano already has a very small battery, and if the wireless stays on, it keeps on draining the battery. Whenever you just put it in a bag, you just kept it somewhere, you are not using it, and it's still draining the battery, which is kind of a bummer for the battery life. I mean, I don't always need connect the phone or anything, so I'm not sure why it's like that. But including the flaw, I absolutely love it. I mean, that's why I used to love the DJI Action 2. The form factor, it's so small. I mean, we used to use so many gears and so many good cameras, fixing the ND, fixing the screen, setting up the tripod. And you know what? This kind of action camera gives you the fun of shooting again. It lets you create more. It's like you can just keep it anywhere, anything, you can just point it out and you can shoot anything you are doing. It makes the memories so fun to look at. And for creating content, I mean, with the amount of flexibility, with the mounts, with like the magnets, also it features the magnet in the back and on this side, so you can mount it anywhere, literally. Also, it comes with a lot of mounts along its bag, and I mean, this type of action cameras made shooting fun again. So yes, I absolutely love it, and I will make more content on this very soon. So if you guys have any question about the DJI Osmo Nano, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys next one. Till then, ta-da.